Welcome to my class. Today we will be discussing about double entry bookkeeping system. Double entry bookkeeping system is basically the study or method where transactions are recorded into the account. Just like every transaction will be having vice versa two effect. One will be debit, which is designated the left hand side, and credit is the right hand side. Before digging more, we have to understand the analogy of double entry comes from where? It comes from Luca Pacioli back in 500 years ago, an Italian man who invented the concept of double entry bookkeeping system, that every transaction will be having two effects, debit and credit. He invented them. Before that, we used to do the accounting in a single entry format where monies were receiving and going. No room for any other transactions. So he is named as the father of accounting for the invention of the double entry bookkeeping system. Learning about transaction, it is a flow of economic benefit from a source. Like from my bank, money will be going to someone else's account. That is the destination. Where it goes is the destination. And from where it comes from is the source. So economic benefit refers to what? What is economic benefit? It refers to something financial, either directly or indirectly. Indirectly means in the form of different like non-monetary terms. So what is debit? Debit is the destination, like the place where the money is going, where the thing is going. The destination is known as the debit. Debit in Latin is known as debri. So in short, you will see debit as dr. On the other hand, credit as credere, it will be the cr. So let's understand what debit entry means. Debit entries are the left side of the accounts. If you prepare an account, ledger account or any account, the left side will always represent the debit side. The right side will always represent the credit side. For the debit, what is told? The service is due, something due to us, the owners, to the business. Like I got this mobile for selling. I have to give some money. So in exchange of the money, I received this phone, but it is not yet used as it is not sold. So benefit is due to come to me. When I will be selling, it will be getting out. It's supposed to be the credit because the source, like this is no longer the source of getting money because I have already sold it. Let's dive on to the credit to understand the more bit of double entry bookkeeping system. So credit is the source, like from where the money is coming. For example, I bought this box on credit. For example, I will pay the money later. I bought this thing from someone, from Mr. X, and I will pay the money later. So who is the source now? The person. The person is the source. He will be giving me the money. But he is not giving me the money. In return, he is giving me this. And I will give him the money later on. These are the credit, not the item, the person. And this item is coming to my destination. It will benefit me. This will be the debit. I hope that suffices the concept of debit and credit. So understanding a real life place. The case is we are selling burger for 80 taka cash. So what is the source here? The source is the burger. It will give us money. It is the income source for us. On the other hand, what is the destination? The money. Why it is the destination? Because if we don't get the money, we cannot use it for our expansion of the business, or we cannot pay out the rent or other cost. So by selling the burger, what is happening? We are getting money and in return we are giving the burger. So our source is falling, means that is supposed to be the offset of what? Offset of what? Offset of the source with the destination. Means we are getting some money that is supposed to be the debit because that money can give us benefit. We can use it. It is a due to us. Until unless we are using the money for our future expansion, it is still accrued. We'll get the service. On the other hand, the cost of making the burger, like the source, is this case falling. It will be credit because the money is flowing to us and the burger is getting out from the source. That will be the credit. So in a nutshell, selling of burger is a outflow of what? Outflow of the item. That is supposed to be the credit. On the other hand, it is getting of cash after giving the burger. That designates to a destination of our cash account. That's supposed to be the debit.